I wonder what the ruckus was out here. Okay, I just washed a can of soup out because, oh, for Christ's sake, they opened the fridge, didn't they? Just gave them chicken earlier and still looking around. Pulled a can of soup out. Oh, crying out. And all round here. Soup all over the floor. Alright. That should be cleaned up now. Okay. Between the two. Oh, crying out. Just cleaned down here. Magic keeps going back over. There's nothing there now. Cleaned it. Keeps going back over there. It's annoying. Not sure which one character. I think Magic gets up here, pushes on the door with his paw, and then gets it open like so. That's up there and pushes it open. And then they both raid it. Raiders of the Lost Fridge. Yeah, well, they shouldn't open the Ark. Well, the fridge. Face might melt. Naughty you are, Magic. You are naughty. See, I've been giving him some chicken. So, change his diet. So I'll get some weight on him. He doesn't need any chicken. I'll give him a teeny little bit. He's more stuffed plump than a Christmas turkey. Magic's still. Oh gosh, I've got to probably wipe this over again. Crying out. Cats are really naughty. They are. They're really naughty. Here, go through the hoop. Go through the hoop. There you go. Go through the hoop. It's a time pool. Hey, you see he's going back there again. Like a zombie. Zombie kitties. Zombie kitty cats. Wait, will you stop that? Magic is annoying. Magic raids the frying pan. Bear doesn't. It's mostly Magic. Oh, something I didn't clean. That's where they knocked the soup over. And then probably pulled it out. Okay, I've got to clean that.